Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to remove a reaction on a message on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Messenger on your Android device. Locate the Messenger app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to open the app. Next, navigate to the chat where you had previously added a reaction to a message. Scroll through your conversations and select the specific chat where you want to remove the reaction. Once you're in the chat, tap on the emoji that is displayed on the message to which you had reacted. This action will bring up the Reactions menu, showing the emojis used for reactions. In the Reactions menu, select Tap to Remove to undo the reaction you had added to the message. Confirm the removal, and the reaction will be successfully removed from the message. By following these steps, you can easily remove a reaction on a message on Messenger using your Android device. Manage your reactions on messages efficiently and ensure clear communication with your contacts. Removing reactions on Messenger messages has been streamlined with the updated features that allow you to promptly undo your reactions. Thank you for watching, and enjoy customizing your reactions on Messenger messages effortlessly.